SAG is a leading manufacturer of carpets and tapestries in Central Asia and the CIS. The company was founded in 2000 as a small carpet weaving factory. To date, all processes, ranging from thread production to the packaging of the final product, are carried out at the enterprise itself. SAG is the main founder of an eponymous group with 3,000 permanent and more than 12,000 seasonal employees. SAG products are represented in 11 countries around the world. Our goal is to be among the top 5 best manufacturers of carpets and tapestries. If we talk about the scope of tasks and challenges in the age of the rapid development of modern technologies, we wanted to achieve optimization and improvement of business processes in our company. Plus, we wanted to increase the level of automation in order to minimize the influence of the human factor. Among other steps, the company decided to migrate to the SAP S/4HANA ERP system. With its help, we wanted to consolidate the processes of procurement, production, logistics, warehousing, sales, and financial accounting within a single unified system. Previously, we were using several solutions which created a number of difficulties, namely the need to reconcile the data and issues with obtaining timely reports. In addition, these processes were rather time-consuming. On top of that, new cost centers emerge in a dynamically developing company, making it more difficult to establish proper control over them without a unified system. Timely strategic decision-making is another critical factor and an essential requirement of the modern market. Migration to SAP platform will allow us to receive all necessary reports and analytics at any time and in full. Infopulse was selected as a consultant for this project. We engaged in cooperation with Infopulse since they have extensive experience in similar projects, great resilience, an experienced team, and the best price-quality ratio. Infopulse implemented an end-to-end solution for SAG on the basis of the SAP S/4HANA platform. They also used other tools and solutions, including SAP Enable Now and SAP PO. In order to fit our business needs, the architecture of the solution was built from the very ground up. The SAP S/4HANA platform consolidated our production and business processes, including sales and purchases, quality control, accounting and finances, and many others. Infopulse experts had to migrate massive amounts of diverse data from isolated systems for further consolidation. They've done tremendous work on this migration and put a great effort into creating non-standard databases. What's more, this migration was carried out without interruption of the production processes. We're very pleased with the work done. The Infopulse team is very responsible in terms of tasks execution. I can confirm that Infopulse team has proven themselves as top-level experts. They fully grasped the subtleties of our production processes and worked closely with the SAG team, fulfilling all our requests. Infopulse consultants helped us train our employees, thus making it easier to transition from older systems. They got in touch with us any time of the day and night. Now, all SAG employees, and there are hundreds of them, are working in a single unified system. Currently, SAG and Infopulse are planning to proceed to the next stage of SAP platform implementation for our carpet and synthetic turf factory. Then we'll deploy the solution for our linen mill, which produces fabrics for bedding and clothing. Consolidation of all business processes into a joint network will allow us to achieve an even better understanding of the operational and financial activities of the SAG group of companies.